My name is Aaron and this is my bike check. I'll just start at the front and then work my way to the back. I got ODIO grips. I suggest everyone buys these because they last forever and they're super comfy. I got Black Label bars. They're 8 1/4 rise and then they're 29 wide. They're probably the best bars I've ever had. I got an Eastern stem and an Odyssey compression bolt with Cane Creek headset with like Ricky bearings or Richie or whatever. Then I got Odyssey Classic race forks, and my front wheel is a Sun Kingpin with Primo spokes. This is some mongoose hub. I got this wheel for 15 bucks, but I'm changing out the hub Wednesday for a Black Label hub. And my peg's the Odyssey peg, which is amazing. And then I just got Odyssey Aitken tire 2.125, and it's only slipped out on me once, and that was in sand. And my frame is a Fly Diablo 3 21.6. It's like 5 1/4 pounds. It's an '08. It's pretty old. You know, repping the 90 East sticker. Got felt magnesium pedals, sealed bearings, one reflector because the other one smashed out. Whatever. I got Eastern Stealth cranks, which are the best cranks you could possibly buy, in my opinion. They're light as fuck and strong as fuck. My sprocket is a Haro 33 tooth, and I just got a KMC chain. Then I got a volume seat with a McNeil midget post. It only goes down to like here in my frame. It's absolutely tiny. And my seat clamps in Eastern, which barely fits on my frame too. And I got a stock felt back wheel, double walled, 9 tooth, 48 hole. It's pretty loud. And I'll do the hub sound at the end. Then just got a GLH back tire, which sucks. Never buy GLHs. This tire's only 3 months old. It's already completely worn through. I mean, what the fuck? It's fucking retarded. Bike weighs about 24 pounds with pegs. And my back peg's an Eastern Bird. No hub guards, of course. I can't afford that shit. No need for it either. And that's my bike. And this is the hub.